Hello, guys. You hear me? You can use the. mm, You can use the chat on YouTube, or you can use the chat on Discord. You see the screen? All good? Okay, thank you. Aaron, all good on YouTube, brother? Screen, chart, all good? How's the voice? First time doing on YouTube. No delay? Guys, no delay? All good? Okay, I'm gonna close all the chat on the Discord so that I focus only on YouTube, even for the gold member for now. All right. Brother Aaron, if anything wrong, just let me know on direct message, okay? Because this is the first time I do it on YouTube. Chat is closed on the. All right, look like we have some profit taking is happening right now after the gap up. I believe we have more earnings today. VXY very strong, so this is against our setup for now for calls. No rushing on the downside because the market look very strong. Let me open my second phone to watch our YouTube. how it look like. Guys, after we done today, let me know what do you guys prefer. Guys, like the video, please. Click like on the video. Click like on the video, please.
Click like on the video, please.
Oh, I'm here myself.
Click like on the video, please.
Look good.
Here myself. Click like on the video, please. Look good.
Like, guys, like the video, like the video, like the video, so we can do it more on YouTube. What do you guys prefer, the Discord or YouTube? I can make it private also. It's only for the members. YouTube, 3 seconds lag. Yeah, I believe there is some delay on YouTube, not like the Discord. Because I'm in Dubai, when I want to use Discord, I have to use VPN. So YouTube, I don't have to use VPN. So let's do it on YouTube by now. And when I back to office, we do it from Discord again. YouTube. Okay, some people like YouTube, some people like Discord. I believe YouTube is really good. Will be really better if I back to office. You know. Do you know why? Because on office I have multi-screen, and will be so much better. I do it from the office. Actually, do you know what, guys? I can let my brother share his screen from the broker. What do you guys think? Not the chart. On YouTube, I can let my brother share the broker screen. So when he enter how many contracts, all right, let's take a look on Microsoft for second wave strategy. Look like some profit taking is happening right now on everything. Only Meta. Okay, I like Meta here. Put Meta 85 on your watch list, everyone. Meta 85 for second wave strategy. I like how the first candle opened it red. Look like we are going to have a second wave. But the only problem here, UVXY is strong. And also the market still show weakness. When you want to take call on any position, the market is better to be strong. Anyway, the implied volatility is still high on Meta 85. Trading at yeah 785 calls on Meta. 785 calls on Meta. The premium is little high, but it's okay. You can take less contract. Put it in your watch list, everyone. And let's get ready for this trade. The stop loss is very tight, just under the VWAP, because this contract is expired tomorrow. So I just took one contract to test how is the move with red candles. Let's not rush, because the market still shows some weakness. I believe we have a gap to the downside. I also have some contract from yesterday. We have a red candle on Amazon. We have the buying on Google. By the way, we have more earnings today after close. Actually, more important, I believe, we have Apple and we have Amazon. Okay, red candle everywhere. Only Meta strong. IWM very weak actually. This is look very nice setup on IWM. Lately, guys, I don't like to trade the first 10 minutes. I love the first 10 minutes gone. After that, I see what setup we have. So far, I like IWM to the downside because UVXY very strong and IWM look very nice to the downside with 1 DTE 220. It's have been a while I did not took IWM. Even forget how the premium is moving on IWM. Do we have numbers today? 10 a.m. Aaron? No, Adam, protect him. Q, BLTR. No, guys, we trade only SPY and the Qs here. This is the main ticker we trade. So if you are a future trader, when we take SPY, you can take AS. When we take a QQQ, you can take many Q or Q. Individual names, we trade them very small. We have only one good setup today on second wave strategy on Microsoft and Meta. Nice rejection on Meta here. Still not in anything. I'm trying to avoid all the small size trades lately. I'm trying to take only the trade that I believe worth. With big size or nothing. Profit taken. So guys, I was really bullish. This is the gap we have. We have a gap on SPX till 6,000, almost 60. Yesterday, this morning I was really bullish. I was really aggressive on the calls for a gap and go setup till Trump tweeted something about Jerome Powell. He became really aggressive, call him like stupid, I believe, or something like this, because did not lower the rate. And the market start reacting little bearish with his tweet. VXY still strong. How's the 5 minutes candle? Still bearish. By the way, guys, we have also important number tomorrow. NFP. Nice dip buying so far. Let's see. One good trade. Yeah, I remember you. I am in Dubai actually, and in Dubai I can't use the live on Discord. I have to open VPN. So that I went on YouTube today. But so far, I believe I feel more comfortable on Discord. I feel like there's more privacy there. I don't know. I will ask the member if they like Discord or they like YouTube, so we can continue on one of them. YouTube can be good for the channel. All the day trades can be here. I can share the broker stream. I believe no one here is doing this. Maybe a few people, really few, sharing the broker stream. A lot of people sharing the chart or broad firm, but not a real money broker screen. That can be really nice. I really don't know. It's like one of the law. Not only Discord, I believe WhatsApp also, any messenger also, anything that you can do a call, any app you can do a call, it's banned. You can't use it only if you have VPN. There is only one app working. It's named Bottom, something like this. Yeah, all banned. So when I use VPN, my internet went a little slow with voice and charting together, and also live on Discord. That's why you guys lately see we have problem with the. Sometimes the voice lagging. I believe YouTube will be very easy from my desk, from my office. Will be really easy for me. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. I believe it's agreement with call companies. Is any way I can turn on off the chat here on YouTube? Because this way I can't focus on trading. Where is the channel permission? Where is it, baby? Mm, time reaction. I believe I have to do it. I found it, I believe. Yeah, allow comments. Where is comments? Yeah, I found it. Okay. Comments off. Okay. You can comment now, guys. No, right? No more chat. If you can't comment on YouTube, please let me know. Let me know on the Discord, okay? Send me a dark message. What the fuck is that? You still can comment. Why? I comment and rating. This of views on. Okay, let's do it later. Let's do it later. Let's focus. I have only one screen here. I either put it on on YouTube or the chart. So I'm gonna switch to the chart. I'm not gonna read the comments, everyone. I will focus on trading right now. Okay. UVXY is testing the view up. I like this dip buying. Please put 640 on your calls. watch list. Our stop loss just here under all day low. Let me take a look on some individual names. I believe Meta is back to work also from this view up. If Meta break this double top, this is going to be a really nice call setup. I put some alerts. 640 calls on your watch list, everyone. SPY 640 calls. My brother, take 20,000 position size, okay? And I'm not going to talk to you anymore. You have to up your stop loss by yourself to the break even or and all this shit. Above 5%, you're going to have your stop loss to break even. And for taking a profit, you can do trailing stop loss. You can see money, take money. It's all up to you. One DT will be August 1. The price is almost $2. I just opened it one contract. And let's see if the setup is coming. UVXY just dump it under the view up. $640 DT, almost $1. You can take 1 DT or 0 DT. It depends on your risk. I'm in SPY calls. 1 DT, 640. 640. UVXY very red, and everything look good. Up stop loss to break even when you are green, everyone, okay? And you can send me your average price. My brother, take a $20,000 position size. This is your size. Do not change it. Up stop loss to break even when you are green, okay? And send me, you don't even send me your average price. Manage the position by yourself. We are green here. NVIDIA very strong. A lot of tickers very strong. SPY is doing the job right now. How much you up? Everyone should be green now. What is your average? If yes, push above the view up, this will be a very good push. All right, our system just alert calls. SPY breaking the 200 moving average and above the view up. UVXY really weak here. What is your average, little brother? And how much size you have? 219. Okay. How much you up? You should be up 5. Okay. Manage your position, brother. Manage your position. If this candle tail and the SPY push above the view up, ES, we can see another leg higher here. And the Qs can go to test the view up. Let's take a look at individual names. We have Microsoft to still show weakness, but UVXY is really weak. So I'm expecting the SPY to go a little higher. testing the 200 moving average. I need this candle to go green on a 3-minute chart, up almost 6% here. Open the chat on Discord, Aaron. Anyone sell the trade, guys, on the chat? Let me know on the Discord, okay? And what is your average? I'm reading the Discord chat. It's better for me. Okay, health sector and energy very strong. That could help SPY. Guys, I'm reading the chat on the Discord. I can't read on YouTube. This is look amazing setup. Only break even stop loss, guys. Don't sell your winning trade very fast. This is a winning trade. Sold half 8. Very nice, Brad. What do you think, Brad, about our new strategy? We take a full size trade or fucking nothing. Okay, 10% here. I have $100,000 position size and I'm up $10,000. As you know that my new strategy, I'm not taking a small size trade. Zero DT is up actually 17, 18. 1 DT is up 10. You sold some, Brad? This is really can go. Josh, you sold some? I'm not reading the comment on YouTube, guys. This comment on Discord only. Our system also alerted calls. I have a system that give a nice calls or bots. Now working only on calls. Alerted calls almost from the view up. So this is up almost. How much you up, brother? Be careful because we still have a gap open to the downside. 5 minutes candle, as you can see on SPX, is really bullish, and actually this can go more. What's happened at the morning is only some profit taken. We just push above the view up. Oh, my first target, honestly, Q is testing the view up, but because I'm in heavy size and I need someone, because I did not took any trade this week. This is probably the first trade. I'm gonna talk with my Discord later why. How much you up, brother? On chat, please. On chat, brother. Even my brother, please comment on chat. Don't direct message. Very nice, Jim. Apple week. I don't like Apple. Nvidia is still very strong. SOXL strong. By the way, I don't like SOXL. How all the market was pushing, and SOXL moved to the downside. A lot of tickers show weakness. Bank sector also not really that strong. JP Morgan weak. I believe this is our exit point here. IWM still very strong. We have numbers on 10 a.m. Small numbers. Luffy, that's how much profit? What was your average? Mm, 5 minutes still very strong. If we push right now, I believe this is will be. We rejected so far at 640. SPY looks strong and holding, but the Q is not. Premium has moved a little slow today. Five-minute look very strong. If we break this tail, we can see another push to the upside. Thursday, most of Thursdays gap get filled, but look like not today. Only if they said something wrong. I'm still holding half, Sunny. Sold only half around 10%, still holding half. Up almost 10%. My target is above all day high. I believe we can get it. If she reject here, I'm gonna sell at the break even. I need a break for this candle. If we break this candle, I can hold a little longer. If we take long time to break this candle, I'm gonna sell my position. Up almost 10% now. The SPY look very nice setup, but the Qs actually look more weaker. I believe we have some sell off on technology. We need some. We need some recovery on Microsoft. We need some help from a lot of tickers. Cost very strong. Netflix very strong. I believe bank sector is not really strong. Health some pullback here. I'm very careful, guys, because we have a gap to the downside today, and on Thursday it's called like gap fill. If you have any gap to the upside or to the downside on Thursday, big chance the gap get filled on Thursday. Another tail. Look like there's buyers. Let's see if we can get above this green. candle. If anyone flat, if we get above this, you can take 42 to the upside, new position. Because if we push above this level, she can give us another push. If she fall under the VWAP, the setup is gone. So far, nice dip buying. The premium still holding very nice. My second half up 8% right now at average price 217. She really want to push. She want to give us one more push. This will be perfect. Anyone still holding, guys? Let me know in the chat. Yeah, look like a bull flag here. Nice profit taken here. And if any Q push, SPY push will be actually bigger. We need a break here. Still holding, quarter holding. Okay. Okay, guys, almost 11% actually here. On second half, I sold half at 10. Let's see if we have a push here. No push here, guys. We have to sell everything, okay? No break. We're going to sell everything. No break this level. We're going to sell everything. So far, up almost 9% on second half. I really need help from Microsoft, because Microsoft moving the market a lot. Apple is not Apple is not like exist anymore in the Qs and SPY. Nvidia is moving up. Market look bullish, honestly. I'm looking for one more push or break even stop loss for second half. Meta is pushing, rejected at the double top. This is amazing. This is amazing setup, guys, for Meta. If anyone flat, all right, 285 can work, but the premium is really expensive. I can't take it because I'm already in a position now, and I don't like to take two positions together. Okay, I'm already in SPY calls and up 10%, 11% right now. But if anyone flat, keep eye on this setup. SPY rejected again. Let's see this candle. Brad, you still holding some or not? Put your finger, guys, on the sell button, please. Because if no push here, we have to from the position. We don't want our position to back to red. Still up 7%, 8. Premium holding. NQ rejected at this tail also. Another tail on SPY. I need SPY to break these tails. SPX. Remember, guys, it's Thursday. What's happened on Thursday if we have a gap? Gap get filled. All right? Another tail, another tail, another tail, another dip buying. Definitely a break here will give us a nice push to the upside. My second half back to up 6. I was up 2% on this tail, back to up 6. She did not hit my stop loss. UVXY red candle again. So much dip buying. If this candle go green, this is really can go. How is the 5 minutes? We stopped a little bit here. We have earnings today also after close. Apple and Amazon and Coin and MSTR. She hit my stop loss for second half. Did not took anything. But let's see if we can come back for another entry. Still holding only one contract. Still almost a break even. Let's see if there is any VWAP push for another comeback. The gap I already posted on the gap. Here is the gap. Another push, and she almost back to my break-even price. So much dip buying. Amazing view of retest. I'm gonna take it again, everyone. Give us one more push. I need one more push. I need us to go above the 200 moving average. Market very strong. It's big tail on 5 minutes. This tail is telling me that buyers are still here. Mark, you still have? Still in calls, Mark? Back to green. If the Q is back above the VWAP, SPY will push much, much faster. Apple very strong. I need some help from Microsoft. Microsoft is moving the market a lot. How's UVXY? UVXY is still under the VWAP, but it's not moving lower. Meta rejected here. Meta, any break here, this is the second wave. SPY is still very strong. Above my average price, honestly. And 2 cents. But this is not an entry yet. The first entry was very clear. JP Morgan, nice green candle. JP Morgan definitely moving SPY. Okay, we have health pulling back. Yes, testing the view up. Let's see if he has push above the view up. This is also can be a really good entry. Yeah, setup look very good again. You have some mark? SPY very strong here. The pullback is a profit taken, and because we have numbers tomorrow, a lot of numbers. We have NFT on a Friday, and we have today after close, we have Apple and Amazon. So the market is also waiting these numbers. That was the biggest reason why I sold half of my position on almost 11 percentage green. Nice bush here. That's a big bush. Guys, like the chat, like the video, please. I want 100 like so I can do it more. I need her to break the I'm not in. You guys in anything? Not in yet. I sold half at almost 11, and my second half hit a break even stop loss. But I'm still watching the premium. It's almost above my break even. Actually, my break even was 218, and she's trading at 220 right now. 224. SPY is much better. If she break here, 42 can work. 1 DTE. If you want 0 DTE, you can go 40. But please be quick. She kept rejected at 200 moving average. And yes, rejected at the view up. Yes, need to push above, way above the view up for an entry. Buyers cap came in. They're not letting the market go down. Apple very strong. Microsoft is not helping. Microsoft is the biggest issue right now. Microsoft is moving the market a lot. If Microsoft step in, we can see a nice push on the market right now, especially on SPY, because SPY holding better than a Q. Another green candle. Health is helping. I'm watching 42 calls right now if we push. Mark, you have anything? Josh? Market keep buyers here. Buyers cup step in. If we see a push on Qs above the view up, SPY will break all day high now. We need continuation on this green candle. No pullback. We need a push above the view up on ES. If ES break the view up, we can see one leg higher. That will be a very nice entry. Mate, wait the gap to get filled. It's really hard, Jim. I don't believe we can see it today. What do you guys think? We can see this gap filled today, and we can jump on calls. I believe it's really hard to see this gap get filled today with all these earnings from Microsoft and Meta very strong. Calls can happen at any moment on Microsoft. Even if we fill the gap to the downside, I believe will be really slow so that they can kill all the premium. Green candle on AVGO. But overall can be a really nice setup. I will put some alerts here because definitely this setup will not come at the morning. This setup will come later, maybe power hour. Maybe they fill this gap before the earnings so that they push it again tomorrow, just like today. Yeah, I have alert here, and I have alert above 5 to 420. UVXY is moving up. I believe the pullback is coming. Only from Apple so far, Amazon, Google holding, Tesla, JP Morgan holding, Bank holding. Premium on cold holding very nice. No continuation on the downside, another tail, and the premium still holding. So my first entry on 640 was 218. It's almost a break even right now from my first entry. I'm waiting the next entry. SPY look good, but Qs look weak. Big tail on the Qs. This is what I mean to say, Jim. You see, they not letting the market push down very easy. The premium just back to break even, down only like 4%. The live is slow on YouTube, guys. Is there some delay? All right, all right. There is some delay on YouTube. Okay. Why? Some people say yes, some people say no. Okay, guys, get ready. Get ready for another entry here for the calls. Let's make it again. Let's see if we can push here, guys. The stop loss will be also under the view up or last tail. So much buyers. UVXY have a nice rejection of the view up. Let's see if we can see a push here so we can jump in. Same contract 640, 1 DT. If you trade 1 DT, if you trade ES, go ES long, MES, 0 DT. It's better. I prefer in the money actually. You take 38, 39, because 0 DT you lose premium very fast and the position size should be smaller. Meta pushing again, Google holding, and Tesla. Tesla very hard chart today, all tails. Downtrend, but very hard downtrend. Not a clear. Also a VGO, GB Morgan. Bank sector weak today. Health was holding at the morning. IWM. This gap fill can be the one of the best setup on Power Hour for calls. If we fill this gap, I have alerts. If we fill this gap, I'm looking for calls on Power Hour. I will mention this on Discord. And for the morning, if we see any buyers, I'm looking for entry around here. My stop loss will be just under the VWAP. I'm just waiting now. UVXY above the VWAP. Kind of killed the setup. Guys, lately, if you are on YouTube, I'm trying to avoid the bots trades right now. I'm testing them on my own. When I see a good bot setup, I see if there's continuation. No, but lately the bots was really hard to trade, and I don't have confidence to size up on the bots because I took two losses this month, and both of them from tail. Like I opened the position and immediately tail on me. So there's no continuation, no confidence on the downside. You see right now, so many people was expecting a continuation, but she tail again. Buyers making puts is really hard to trade, and the premium is holding very strong. Another tail. So if you took a put position here, you just down 6% very fast. On 1 DT, in 0 DT, you down more. Let's wait the call setup back above the VWAP. I'm gonna take one more round on the calls. This is my setup, and UVXY rejected from the VWAP fast. And despite back above the VWAP, I will take 640 again calls. If you take a look on the premium, guys, on 640 calls again, from my average price, she's down only 4%. The premium on the downside holding very strong. She's down only 3 from my average. Okay, get ready, guys, for another entry. Our stop loss is just tight above under the VWAP. So much dip buying. Microsoft is not helping again. Meta helping. Market is pushing, but individual names is weak, mostly. Market is reacting faster with these green candles. But I just took a look. I see many weakness here. Like not everything's strong. Another tail. UVXY again under the VWAP. No, you are wrong, King. I was thinking the same yesterday. That's why I made the voting. I was seeing the result when the trade come at 10 a.m. was better than before. Buyers step in again. No push, no continuation. There is some volatility in this candle. I can see it. No continuation on the downside. How many people was expecting we are going to break low? That's why I'm not trusting any downside trade right now, because the buyers is, even if you catch a downside trade, it can be really hard to manage this trade, especially if you trade or you want to edit some size. Yeah. I think you're right. Okay, I'm in cold again. Everyone, same 640. Taking the position now. I'll send you my average. So far, my average 2.8 on break even. Half the entry. Let's back above the view up to take it all. Any push here, I'm gonna take the full size. I'm in half size and she's a break even now. Come on. Up 1%. What is your average, guys? Send it on the chat. 209 here. White race, you did not sell round one. View our projection so far. Q is very weak, but SPY still holding. Another tail. Premium lost value very fast on this candle. Hello, you guys hear me now? Now hear me? Hello? 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 Flat. Hit my stop loss also around two. Slight trade day. Mm, no, I was mute. At the morning, I was live. Okay, that's it for the day. The market waiting, more numbers. And if NFP numbers came bad and the market will move lower, I will back to trade the downside. I believe I need to doing some updates for the boot, but tomorrow, not today, because boot is trading only calls right now. I need to activate the boot on the downside again. And I believe we have to back only on one trade after 10 a.m., not before. See you guys tomorrow. Calls still in the game, by the way, if we back above the view up. I will mention this in the Discord because the premium is still holding and very strong. I will enter again.